Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to force restart your iPhone 12 Pro or any of the newer iPhone with the full screen on the latest iOS version. This is something you want to do if you're having any issues with your phone. This is Apple's #1 troubleshooting steps. So I'm going to show you what you need to do in order to force restart it. So here's a sequence of actions that you have to do. First thing is you're going to locate the volume up and the volume down button, which is right under the ringer switch, and then this big side button. So what you need to do is quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, one after another, and then hold on to this big side button. As you can see here, I'm pressing on here. We're going to wait until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo reappears on the screen before we let go of that side button. So let's go ahead and wait for it. And once I see it, I let go of it. And what we have done is shut down the phone software and have it reload the code to fix any software related issue. This method will not delete any of your data, so all of your photos, videos, apps, everything will be safe on your phone. This is something you want to do, again, to fix any issues you're having with it. And again, if it doesn't work the very first time, keep on trying it. This does take a few tries to get the hang of it sometimes if you're new to mastering this. So again, it's important that you quickly press and release the volume up, volume down in sequence, one after another, before holding on to that side button. So to demonstrate one more time, volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to this side button as I'm showing again one more time, just the whole process, so that if it didn't work the very first time, it's going to go ahead and work again. As you can see here, same exact process, and you can do this as many times as you need to until your issue is fixed. And again, this method is safe. So as you can see here, I have done it again. So that's how you force restart your iPhone 12 Pro. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider hitting that like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.